ngiyazi ukuthi kade ngenza zonke lezi zinto ebengikade ngizenza, ngizange ngikucabangele, but njengamanje wena kuphela ungisula inyembezi, kuyaxolisa phelo lami. Yes, I'm really sorry about yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Engaqondanga ukuthi usale ubuhlungu obuzwayo njengamanje. Cela ukuthi uzisule le nyembezi zami. Ngikuthanda phelo lami.
Ngaphinda futhi phelo lami ngikuthela ngenyembezi futhi bengingaqonda. Ngaphinda futhi phelo lami ngikuthela ngenyembezi futhi bengingaqonda. Ngiyazi bengingedwa phelo lami kade ngithatha isinqumo bengingazi uyoba nje. Ngiyazi bengingedwa phelo lami kade ngithatha isinqumo bengingazi uyoba nje. Ngaphinda futhi phelo lami ngikuthela ngenyembezi futhi bengingaqonda. Once again I fell in love. I never thought it would break me down. Once again I fell in love. I never thought it would break me down. Kuhle nami philo lami, kodwa bengingazi ukuthi philo lami ngikulethela incindezi yodwa. Ngiyazi philo lami bengithi ngizame impilo nami ngokuthanda umuntu philo lami, kodwa ngibonile philo lami nguwe wedwa okwazi ukungiduduza. You my strength, you my pillar, nguwe wedwa okwazi ukungiduduza. I never thought it would break me down. You hold me, you comfort me till I say let me go. Till I break me down. No, I want to feel